What? You and me will always be tied. Memory every single day and night. Good morning, YouTube fam. How y'all been? I know I've been MIA or whatnot, but I have an explanation for that. A lot of people have been reaching out to me asking me, did I quit YouTube? And no, I didn't quit YouTube. Of course not. I just had to take a break from YouTube because the sun's like in my way. But I just had to take a break from YouTube just because of the fact of, you know, at first it was the monetization. When they was doing the monetization, I was like already being monetized, and they just snatched that away from me because of, I guess I didn't have that many views on my channel, and it kind of hurt my feelings. So I just took a quick pump, you know, a little break for a second. And plus I wanted to get my life together, as you should, because your mental state, it's better than anything, and it's very important. And I feel like if you don't take care of yourself and your mental state, that what are you doing? Like, that's like your main priority to me. Oh, that light looks so much better. So I'm on the way to the gym. You guys know I'm a gym junkie, and I just have a few updates for you guys. So this is gonna be a vlog. I haven't vlogged ever, but I'm gonna start vlogging. I know I said it before, but I'm really gonna be back on YouTube. I just had to take a break from me. I just have so many updates, so many beautiful, good things to tell y'all. So I'm about to work out and see you at the gym in a second. So this is my weight loss update. I will be having another separate video discussing my weight loss, and I lost another 50 plus pounds. I started the keto diet a few months ago, and I'm pretty sure you guys heard of it. And this is a huge transformation. As you can see, I don't even have my waist trainer on, and it's just like amazing. So I will have a quick weight loss updates coming soon. Comment down below your questions about keto or what I have been doing. Anything you just want to know about my weight loss update, comment down below so I can sure answer it in that separate video that will be coming soon. So yeah, I'm telling you guys, once you become skinny, you ain't going back being fat. Like, my motivation is to not ever go back to how I used to be. And yes, I'm vlogging on my phone because I don't have a vlogging camera. I'm looking a hot mess. My hair is up in a semi-bun. It's too long. Lately, I haven't been getting my hair done. I'll explain why. But right now, I'm about to go work out and see you guys in the field. So you guys, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. And I think I know what I want. I'm going right to Chick-fil-A. Bruh. Chick-fil-A have the best customer service ever. It could be rain, snow, whatever. They got the best customer service. Like, you don't even get mad how expensive you pay for Chick-fil-A. That's how good their customer service is. They got the best customer service. And I don't understand why this lady's looking at me while I'm vlogging. It's like,
oh my God.
people are so nosy. Like, life be better if you just learn to mind your business. Just mind your business. Like, what you looking at me for? Do you know me? Hey guys, so we're back. So let me give y'all quick updates or whatnot. So again, I had to take a break from YouTube because I had to take care of me and my mental state. And when I say my mental state, I mean, if I'm not happy with myself or anything I'm doing, I need to make sure I take care of me. Forget social media, forget all that. Just gotta take care of myself. So a lot of things have happened. God have blessed me and my family so much this year, and stuff that's been so not like, it was already on my vision board, but it just, everything just fell into place basically. And it's just amazing. I just still can't believe it. So me and Bae, we've been talking like a few months back. We always want to buy a home, period. So, but we used to live in Broward and Miami-Dade, not too far from each other. We used to live in Broward. Scratch that, I said that completely wrong. We used to live in Broward. And if you guys from Broward or Miami-Dade, you know, like, down there it's expensive to buy a home. A home down there is like $300,000 plus, and it looks like a shoebox. Nah, not for me. So we relocated. We stayed by Orlando, but not close to Orlando, but by Orlando, but not too far from it, basically. And we relocated our jobs and everything. So with that being said, we were just in the process of buying a home. Again, you guys know your girl's picky. So by me being picky, we decided to do something different. Hey y'all, it's a good little Sunday today. So me and Bae wanted to see our lot. That's Bae, it's right there. But look at the sign. Y'all see it? Y'all caught it? Boom. That right there. What it say, y'all? Sold. Ooh. How you feel, babe?
Home.
Even though it ain't a home yet, but we feel home. We drive by this lot a lot. We can't wait to take y'all through this process with us. So, yes, I'm so excited. Soon, none of these trees will be here. It'll be all dirt and stuff. The only time I'll be happy to see dirt, because I know they're going to start our lot. So, it's official. Day.
Yo.
Say bye to the vlog. Yes, isn't it beautiful? With all the trees and stuff, I just can't wait. Like, this process is gonna be amazing. You just have no idea, like, what's coming to you in 2019. Like, this is coming to you in 2019. Like, so many things is gonna happen. So stay tuned.
You and me will always be tied. Memories